Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap.
G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today something a bit different. A few of you guys in the live stream know that it is my birthday coming up, so what better way to celebrate than opening this little package right here from Edifier. I can't wait. As a few of you guys may know, I am planning a custom setup series. I'm going to deck out my own setup and basically make a time-lapse video for you guys. And here is my speakers of choice for the setup. So let's go ahead, unbox these. And I'll tell you what, I certainly don't need the gym after carrying these upstairs because they are heavy. Rightio guys, let's do one box at a time. These are the E235 speakers from Edifier. Oh gosh! Okay, so I don't have a knife on hand, but hopefully these scissors will do. Let's get started and see what is inside. Oh, here we go. This is awesome. Early birthday present. I cannot wait. Okay, turn this upside down. Jeez, they've got a bit of weight to them. All right. So when speaking to Edifier, one thing they did promise is they were going to make a custom white set for me because I wanted the whole setup to be mostly white in color with little accents here and there. So hopefully they're not red, hopefully they are white. If not, that's no big deal. We'll probably do a custom paint job on them and yeah, make them look part of this setup. So let's go ahead and unbox them. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Ugh. So there's nice packaging. Oh, here we go. Yes. Oh my gosh. All right, let's take out the base first. You guys. Oh. It's got some weight. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's just sit this to the side for a second. Put that there. Oh, it's. I thought they were white, but they've got like a sleeve cover over it. So we'll have to see under that first before I get my hopes up. What is this thing doing? Oh, I was meant to undo that, okay. Oh, it's what? Yes. Oh, these are sick. That is so cool. I can't wait to hook this bass up. This is awesome. Wow. So they don't actually have white in stock, and when I was talking to them, I'm thinking, oh, look, red's not gonna suit black. We could get away with black, but white would have been the perfect option. So they went out of their way and they actually said, you know what, we're going to make you a custom set that is white. So big thank you to Edifier for these amazing speakers. I can't wait to finish this setup now. This is going to be absolutely insane. So let's get the speakers out and have a look. Look at that. These things just look so premium. That is insane. Look, they've got little volume buttons on the side, so it looks like a bit of a touch sensor thing, and the power button as well. That is insane. That is awesome. I've never actually had really good quality speakers before as well, so I can't wait to get these hooked up. So there is the set of 3. Let's I'll clear a bit of space so we can open the other boxes up. These are amazing. I'm going to get these set up today just so I can use them in the meantime while we're planning out the rest of the setup. What I'm planning is wall mounting some monitors, and I've got 2 PCs that I want in the setup, so I'm going to make a custom stand for one of the PCs to sit on up above so you can see both of them in the setup itself. What I should have really done was inverted one of the PCs so I can have one on either side, and then have one as my editing PC and then one for my gaming PC. But having 2 stacked on top of each other is certainly still going to be a pretty unique design, so I can't wait for that. These are awesome. Oh gosh, second box. How can there be 2 boxes? Am I missing something here? All right, on to the second box. Let's see what is inside of this bad boy. Actually, not too sure what's inside of this one because all the speakers and the subwoofer is there, so I'm assuming maybe accessories or something like that, but it's pretty heavy, so. Is that? Did they accidentally send me 2? Let's just have a quick look here because I don't want to ruin the boxes or anything if it's 2 speakers. So we'll see what's happening here. I think they may have accidentally sent 2. They sent 2 sets. Okay, let's not open this one. I'll contact Edifier just to make sure that everything's right here. Maybe 1 set's for Amelia? That'd be pretty cool. Actually, I did say in a lot of streams that we wanted to do Amelia's setup, and hers is wide as well, so hey, that could make for another setup video. But I'll contact Edifier and we'll just see that all of this is right. You know what, I was thinking though, so we can either use both of them in the setup because we do have 2 PCs, so maybe they were thinking ahead and thinking, oh, he's got 2 PCs, he's going to need 2 speaker setups. So it's either that or we give them to Amelia. I think Amelia will want them, but we'll see what they say. On to the last box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, yes. That is so... Oh! We've got 2 speaker stands as well. That's awesome. That is... Okay, so... They sent out 2 speaker stands for the speakers and 2 sets of speakers, so... I don't remember asking for 2, but maybe they heard me when I said 2 PCs in the setup, or Amelia, I can't remember, but hey, we've got 2. That's a double birthday present. Oh well, let's have a look at the speakers anyway and see what they look like. The speaker stand, sorry. Yes, they're in white. Oh, this is going to look so good. I can't wait to do this setup. These speaker stands are awesome. They're all in white as well, which is great. Oh, jeez. The legs have so much weight to them as well. That's insane. That is awesome. So the speakers go... Okay. Right, so I'm going to have to take some time and screw all of this together, but yeah, basically these are the speaker stands which the white speakers are going to be sitting on either side of the setup. So this is going to be absolutely insane. I can't wait to put this together. Anyway, guys, this is such an awesome surprise from Edifier. I can't wait to get these set up. These look absolutely insane and are certainly going to suit our custom themed setup that we're going to be doing. So I'm going to get these set up and I'm going to be testing them out. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this little unboxing video. So how about I give you guys a bit of B-roll footage of these awesome speakers, and if you guys did like this video, consider subscribing. Check out more videos on the channel just like this one. Liking the video, leave a comment down below. Do you guys like the look of these E235 speakers from Edifier? Hope you all enjoyed, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packing.